Later you go with Uncle Holly. Come on. One side. Come on, fat girl. Yeah. Fat girl. Bye, fat girl. I don't know, somewhere in the chat there's a fat girl. Shit. What's up, Mike? Somewhere in the chat. Fat girl behavior, huh?
In this instance, as Juan just said, it hasn't thus far, but I mean, Trump obviously made a big push today.
Fat girl behavior.
To convince Putin.
You know, Molly, this former President Biden said news, and obviously people weighing in on the news about his prostate cancer diagnosis on both sides of the aisle. But it comes after this revelation over the weekend, her tapes in this investigation. Wall Street Journal writes this in the editorial board, reckoning for the Biden cover-up. The cover-up of Mr. Biden's mental decline will go down as one of the great scandals.
Fat girl behavior.
By refusing to admit what voters could so clearly see, Democrats denied their party an open primary. Once Mr. Biden imploded, they handed Kamala Harris the nomination without debate. Democrats and the press are now hauled by Mr. Trump's second term. They would do better to think upon.
Ooh, you can jump, Polly? Wow. You're not that fat. You can jump.
That focus, obviously, that came out before the diagnosis. Whether that changes.
Well, I don't think so. I think it actually.
Let me take your leash out. Come on.
Here. We're in the
Crazy
midst of
girl.
a staggering presidential scandal from the Biden administration. Whether you're talking about the mental decline
Come
or
on.
the physical decline, there was a conspiracy to keep from the American people knowing who was actually operating as president. And this is something that we still don't really have answers to. Joe Biden's name was the one on the ballot. That
My dad watched the
chose
news,
to be
not me.
president.
I don't watch that shit.
Barack Obama,
One day,
Susan Rice.
he làm.
Who
Làm.
was operating
All I have to go work.
mental and physical decline.
I'll be home later, baby girl. I mean, I'll be home tomorrow.
All other, presidential scandals throughout history seem somewhat pale.
I'll be home tomorrow.
President Trump wants to know who's doing the auto pen and all of those things. Juan, let's talk about the big beautiful bill.
Daddy, love you.
With it. Over the weekend, House
Bye, Holly.
Conservatives negotiated some changes. Take a listen.
Daddy, love you. Say subscribe. Subscribe.
Every Republican I know in the House, they want this to pass. But they know that we've got to get
Subscribe.
We are way past the concession phase here because this is a completely partisan bill.
You know, Juan, it's really amazing.
Huh?
Speaker Johnson has managed to pull
Even now, yo.
legislative rabbits out of the House here, and whether he can now do another of those. There's conservative pushback to elements of this bill.
I think hats off to Speaker Johnson for getting
Mai mua hả?
the budget committee
Để bữa hôm lại đó chứ.
later this week, and even as we speak tonight, he's had
Mày kia đó. Mở chỗ nào?
Rồi bên đây nè. Rồi.
Vậy là phải xây lại.
Cái nút nằm bên kia.
Holly.
Holly. Charlie, Holly. Charlie, Holly. I think that's Gay Chen calling me. Stop calling my phone, Gay Chen. Fucking I gotta go work. Well, I mean, I keep the stream on, but yeah. Holly, I have to go. I'll be back tomorrow, baby girl. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I slept. Yeah. Mic check 1, 2.
Tom, 30 seconds.
I slept.
Well, look, I think Chip Roy and his compatriots.
I'll be back tomorrow.
They have